Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Thermomaster new T598 direct axial drive motor base for enhancing racing. So friend, Thermomaster has unveiled its latest simulation racing hardware, the T598, which integrated the newly developed direct axial drive motor technology. So friend, the T598 represented a significant advancement in the sim racing equipment, incorporating Thermomaster proprietary axial flux motor, and this motor technology addresses the limitations of traditional direct drive motors by offering improved efficiency and reduced cost. And the T598 bundle include a motor base, wheel rim, and pedal set, and it's officially licensed for PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 4 and compatible with PC platform, priced at 499.99 US dollar. And the T598 is positioned as an accessible option for serious sim racing seekers, enhanced performance without the premium cost typically associated with high-end direct drive system. And the core innovation of the T598 lies in its direct axial drive technology, which utilizes an axial flux motor with significantly lighter copper structure compared to conventional direct drive motor. And beyond the motor advancement, the T598 incorporates harmony technology to generate high frequency vibration, allowing users to experience detailed load, surface texture, and other subtle in-game physical effects. And the technology expands to features like rumble strip and tire scratching, enhancing or overall impression. And the innovation gear jolt option leverage harmony technology to simulate gear shifting directly through the wheel rim and providing tactile feedback that align with the game action. And the T598 is designed to support a wide range of over 100 comfortable gamers on PlayStation platform through a plug-and-play setup. And the complete bundle includes the T598 servo-based sports car wheel add-on and recline pedal LTE, offering a comprehensive racing simulation. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.